Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to set the app lock in this device. For this, go to settings, tap on the option security and privacy, then scroll down. Here you can see the option app lock. Tap on this one. So first of all we need to create the app privacy password. For this, tap on the turn on this option. Then tap on the option settings to create the privacy password. So if you want to use a different password type, tap on the option use different password type, and from here you can select any password type. You can select 4 digit or 6 digit or 4 to 16 digit pattern or alphanumeric. So here I am going to select the option 4 digit. Then here we need to enter the 4 digit password and confirm the password. So here we need to enter the answer of the security question. In case if you forgot your privacy password, using the security question answer you can easily reset the privacy password. So after that, from the list of application you can select the application that you want to log. So simply here I am going to log the application Instagram and Snapchat, YouTube. These three applications I logged. Now let me show you how it works. So here I am going to open the application Instagram. Now you can see they are asking for the privacy password. So enter the password. It is unlocked. So again I am going to open the application Snapchat. Here also they are asking the privacy password. It is unlocked. So simply in this way you can set the privacy password in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.